Gang na yan na.
Today I'm going to be fighting every boss in Blox Fruits, but my fruits is going to randomly upgrade after every single one. But there's a twist. As after I get a fruit, I have to randomly generate a number between
Cute
1
ng
and
gang namin
25
na yan.
and
Nakalaso
that'll
pa
be
yan,
how many stat points I get for that boss. And like always, we're starting against the Gorilla King with the... Please don't be terrible.
Yan.
Yes, it could be terrible. We could get crazy. No way. Please stop.
Madumi yan.
Ain't no way. Okay, this is fine. We got diamond.
Hello.
With how many stat points? 315. Now, normally I'd be like, oh, it's on hardcore mode. My stats are matched. But this time it's
Lalaro.
definitely
Milo.
not. And the damage is like
Hello.
wow. Yeah, we don't complain about that. And that might have been easy. But later on, if we get super unlucky rolls, we are cooked. The next boss we're playing
Milo
against-
namin tamad-tamad.
Honestly, the fruit doesn't
Ito
matter
ang
too much.
ganggang
It's
namin
all about the
maharot.
stats. If the stats are bad, okay, we got Phoenix. If we get anything less than 10, we're done for. Oh, 1678. Well, this should be nice and easy. Let's see. Can we one-shot him? Surprise,
Very
surprise.
good ah.
Yes, we can. Next boss. Why, hello there, Saw Boss. You're looking awfully beautiful today. What are we gonna get for him? Let's see. It could be.
Wow.
No way we're getting this now. That's so tragic. We got Leopard with
Milo.
1979 stat points. Well, here we go. We got our Leopard. We've got our stats, which probably means I don't even have to release the beast, but I'm just doing it anyway. Yep. There he goes. You know, we've been on easy mode right now, and you do love to see it. Now, the Yeti is pretty much Gorilla King V2, so what are we going to get for him? Honestly,
Malaking sitsu siya.
why does it keep going to this side of the
Japanese
wheel?
sitsu ata
Like
to
every
yung
time. It's getting so close to the top,
dating
I can't
sitsu.
believe it. We got Ghost.
Na
Now, Ghost
malalaki.
Fruit has 17,
Kasi yung
20
isa,
Now, we have
princess.
downgraded a little bit, but it's fine.
Sitsu.
Because at the end of the day, he's only level
Ito, malaki
110.
siya oh.
He's probably...
Girl.
Yeah, he's gonna get
Yung
two
isa
shot.
boy.
I'm keeping up my streak of two-shotting
Tapos
every
na
single
maligo
boss
ng
so
mga
far.
yan.
I'm ready for Mob Leader. Please just keep giving me more trash fruits.
Yung Milo namin makulit. Ang bebe-bebe may namin. Yan lang yan sa saigaan. May. Ikaw dito, bebe. Nagaang ka po. May.